I thought I'd start with the patio and also point out the nice little picnic area as well as the walking paths. Complex also has a pool and a playground. So we have a great dining area as well as a counter on the kitchen that you can put probably 3 or 4 stools there very comfortably. So this will give you an idea of the great room. Floors are wood. When we go into the kitchen, we have stone floors, newer appliances, a little U-shaped kitchen, very efficient, with workspaces so that you can cook and enjoy everybody hanging out in the living room. Another thing that's great about this is you've got a half bath down here, so no one has to run upstairs. There's some extra storage in this closet. As well, one of the things I really like is that it's direct access. So besides having a big 2-car garage with an epoxy floor, you'll have 2 extra parking places right outside that garage door. You can see that you have the water heater right there with hookups already for soft water if you want that. So we can head upstairs now and take a look at the 2 master suites. The great thing about these master suites is they're well separated, so you feel like you have a lot of privacy. High ceilings feel really nice. So when we step into this bedroom, you'll see that's a king-size bed. So that'll give you a good idea of the scale of this room. There's also a bench seat. And a walk-in closet. Already wired for a TV. Put a flat screen right there. Have a water closet with a door. You can see the bathroom's large. 2 sinks, nice step-in shower. The home really has lovely finishes. As we walk down the hall, here is the laundry room. These appliances are included, and there's also room for extra shelving or more closet space should you need it. So another big suite. This one has a larger closet. Looks larger anyway. Again, separate water closet. Would normally take photographs of this, but since you can't be here to walk through it, this is the next best thing. This is a tub shower. So you do have a tub also. So we'll head back downstairs. Can make a stop right here at this little nook. It's got a cabinet here, which would be great for storing linens, but it would also be nice to convert into a little home office space. And that way it's right outside the bedrooms and then not down in your living area. These bricks were put up for soundproofing, just to add a little extra layer so you don't hear your neighbor. If someone didn't like the colors, it would be really easy just to whitewash. That would look really cool. So again, it has home inspection, pest report, all the seller disclosures. Here's your walkthrough, and it is ready for occupancy.